Hey, what's up guys? Today we're going to be taking a look at the bug, an in-depth look, looking at all the suspension, all the fun stuff, and then we're also going to look at Betsy too. We're going to take a look at her. She's making some weird noises and driving weird. But yeah, we're going to take a look at it. We're going to jack it up, see what it looks like, go from there, make a list. So let's get to it. I'll get the jack out and start jacking. Alright, so I got both jacks out. Safety jack, main jack. What we're doing is we're going off of this spot right here. That's where this one's going. And then for this one, we can go off of here, right here, but this is a safer spot. So I'll go up here and then up front. So I'll jack it up and I'll grab the flashlight and look underneath. Alright, now we're on the floor nice and dirty. First look at the brakes. There's still some life on those pads. Definitely dirty. Struts, they're leaking a little bit, so those will probably eventually have to be replaced. Something back there. What in the fuck is going on right there? Okay, I don't know what. It's a snip cable of some sort. Alright. CV boot looks good. At least the outer one. Sway bar. Yeah, it's swaying. Rubber brake hose looks good. Let's see. I can't tell if that's... No, it's not an oil pang leak. That's definitely coming from up top. The transmission's dry, which is good. Don't want to deal with that. It definitely needs a new belt. That thing is crispy. What else? There's a downpipe to the turbo. Turbo feed line looks good. Actually looks like it was replaced. Let's go on the other side of this and take a look. Alright boys, now that we're in the kill zone, you always want a jack, but I don't have jacks. That's why I got two jacks. Yeah, I mean, there's people outside, so okay. But make sure you're safe. Let's take a look. There's some electrical box right there. I don't know what that is. Exhaust. That looks pretty good, from what I can see. Some surface rust, but nothing detrimental. I can't see too much from where I am. You guys will just have to tell me how good it looks. Alright, maybe we'll look from a different spot. So far though, it looks okay. I need to look back up at these suspension bushings though, so we'll go back up there. Okay, so looking at that boot, that looks pretty shot. It doesn't look healthy at all. Let's take a look at this guy. I can't tell. We'll check the wheel bearing here in a minute, but it's looking okay. It was making a weird thunk. It might be the transmission mounts or the engine mounts going bad. We'll take a look. I think I'm gonna jack it from the other side, and then we'll take a look at the driver's side. Or I'm gonna try to pull off a wheel. I think I'm gonna try to pull off a wheel first. Alright, so I'll just take out the wheel. It is a 17, by the way. There's 17 lugs, just in case you wanted to know. Look at that though. Here. Maybe this angle. That's not supposed to do that. And it looks like... Oh, fuck. Sorry, moving too much. You probably can't see it, but... that's moving. So the steering's got some play in it. Alright, a little update. I forgot to record. I got a little carried away. I tried to take the wheel off. I got one lug nut loose. So these things are on way too tight. So put a little WD-40 on it. Gonna pop the trunk. And then try with the stock pry bar. We'll see. All right. Yuck. Nasty. All right, I'm gonna try to get these off. All right, boys, it worked. Let's go ahead and pull all these out. Take a good look at it. Way too tight though. Fuck, that was still tight. All right. There we go. Yeah, a little bit of corrosion on them. Nothing too crazy. That came off for lazy. All right, let's get a good look at this. There we go. Got leaves in the rotors. No lip on the rotor. It actually feels almost brand new. There's some slight ridges in it, but for the most part, it feels brand new. Oh yeah, these are brand new brakes. Look at that, I didn't see that from before. That looks like a new bushing. That one doesn't look too bad in there either. This is probably our ABS. I don't know why it was cut. That's odd. Oh, it was rubbed through. That's what happened. So we'll fix that. Got some clippies for that. It looks like there's oil on this. The difference? I don't know. I don't know where it could come from. All this stuff really needs to be cleaned. Yeah, that's definitely steering play. That sway bar bushing looks okay. Let's get up in there with the camera. The downpipe looks decent. Yeah. Oh. Oh. All right, that's okay. We only need 3, right? Surely. That's the old drain. The inner CV looks good. Yeah, I think it's just a valve cover leak. Okay, well that's a really good sign. New brakes. Looks like the sway bar was new. I think they were trying to figure out this issue, and they thought it was a control arm. So that's cool. Gotta fix that though. We gotta fix this. That'll be easy. You know, it actually looks like a tire blew up with all this shipment. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, I'm gonna curl up underneath there and we'll see if we can see anything else. All right, so I put that wheel back on. I didn't crawl underneath there. I'm gonna go on the driver's side now and look at the other side. But before that, let's take a look at the rear. Tow hook looks good. This strut looks good. It's not leaking at all. It's just normal road grime. I want to assume these were replaced too. Spring, axle. Really, it's like a wishbone. Fuel fill looks good. Tank looks good. All right, I'm happy with that. There's no play on the wheel either. Try to wiggle it around and there's no play, so. And that baby's good. Actually, the brakes. It needs rear brakes. They replaced the fronts. That is okay. All right, let's move to the driver's. All right, all jacked up. Time to take these off. These are just as tight as the other side, if not tighter. Kind of worrying. They should not be that tight. Someone probably just zipped these on with an impact gun and said that's good. That's probably exactly what happened. Lazy mechanics. But we'll get this off. And then, this tight one. There we go. All right. Ooh, that one's crusty. Ooh. Oh wow, okay. Alright, I gotta get this wheel off. Alright, so same with the other side, except this side's a little bit crustier. New brakes. It's good to see. This cable is connected. It's good to know. This line, that's gross. Alright. That brake line looks good. These are dented like that. Okay, that's good to know. Let's take a look. Don't know what that line is. Oh, there's the issue. Needs a control arm.
21. Okay. Yeah, I might want something. I'll see. I'll see what they have.
Yeah, that's not good. I can fit my whole finger through it. Wow. Okay. Can't quite see him there. Let's scoot up and take a look. Alright, hold on, I need my other flashlight. 1 minute. Okay. I don't know what I'm looking at. Okay, so those are lines for the power steering. That's... I don't know what that is. Huh. Can't see too much. Let's go and shove the camera. I can't see what you guys are seeing, so you guys are just gonna have to tell me. Alright. Yeah, can't see much. But we found one of the main issues. Not bad, boy. Noted. Alright, so this is where I'm at. Sorry for not informing you about what I've been doing, but I'm starting to lose daylight. I was just about to put the wheel back on, and then I noticed this. That's not supposed to do that, especially for a front wheel drive. So, what I've done is this bolt, I'm trying to get this washer off, but this bolt screws right in if it's lined up properly. But you get what I'm saying. It screws in. I gotta cut this off, so I'm gonna go do that in the apartment. I'm gonna tidy up, put the wheel back on. We did find a bunch of stuff, so next video you'll see me look deeper into the motor type of side of stuff, and then probably cleaning it until we could get some parts ordered. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'm gonna go clean up, cut this, and then go from there. We will figure it out. But yeah, I'll see you guys later. Be sure to like and subscribe. Alright, sorry guys. I know I said I was into the video, but I did get this cut off. Here's this one. It's still pretty hot. I broke a cutting wheel doing it, but got it off. Yeah, so that's gonna be good to go for the bug. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, next video I'll be putting this in. We'll be taking a little bit closer look at that control arm, and then probably cleaning it up a little bit, as well as going over fluids. Gotta really check fluids. So, peace out. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.